Much of what we deal with, hypertension, prediabetes, diabetes, heart disease, a lot of that can be handled through non-pharmacologic, non-medication measures. And most of the time, it's not so simple as problem X, solution Y. When it is, I'm delighted because I can write a prescription, fix, treat a wound, whatever I have to do, I can do that quickly, get them on their way. However, most of what really affects us is not a common cold, a splinter in my finger. Most of what really affects us is heart disease, diabetes, hypertension. Much of what I try to do to let the information get into the patient's mind is to let the patient tell me what they're doing or what they should do, so that they hear themselves saying it and not hearing me say it. Having a patient tell me they feel better, that's really a reward. Knowing that the person is going to feel better, look better, exercise better, have a better lifestyle, that's terrific. You can't get much better than that.